I want to put a little bit more of the purple in here. And to get more purple, just kind of mix them in, and that's hardly any that I've mixed in. Then take it in the bag, put a little bit more in. So don't mix it in much at all. I'll probably have to fill a couple bags. Now what I want to do is cut off the end. So I'm cutting it off so it's like maybe like a number 12 tip, 10 or a 12, which is a round tip. And I'm going to come in here, and first what we should do is just take a little bit of black fondant. So get just a tiny bit of black and put it in the center, because that's where the well actually kind of goes down and in. So just knead this up a little bit. And then I'm just going to place this right over the top. And then take this, and we're going to start squeezing stones. So squeeze, stop squeezing, move the tip off to the side, and just do a circular motion, some larger, some smaller, around here. And then we want to come down and do the same thing on the sides until it's completely filled in. So you can do some smaller ones, some larger ones. You see I'm almost out of buttercream, so I'll have to go with refilling the bag. So while we're waiting for our chocolate to set up, we can use some of this extra cake if you wanted to. And we'll just take some, make like a little bit of a hill over here. We're going to have some flowers and all sorts of things around here. A little bit here. There we go. Get rid of this. And cover it with some green buttercream. This is an avocado green. I want to be careful not to get it on the ribbon. So you can always put the ribbon on last, and you can always use a decorator bag to put this on too. You want to go right up to the ribbon. So I think I'll take my own advice here and fill a bag to go around those edges. Okay, and then just cut some of the end off. And then just keep the tip kind of embedded in it. Kind of just push the icing around. Now the fun part's the roof. Here's our chocolate, and it's set up, and I'm going to take a knife and I am just going to score the center and then cut through deeper until I get all the way through. You just don't want to do it all at once or it might snap. Okay. Now the fun part here, we're going to figure out how big we need this. Use a ruler so that I can tell you. It's going to go on the side like this and come down a bit. And I'm thinking that's a good, about, I want it almost this whole thing. So about 8 inches across. And I'll do it about 3.5. Let's do 4 inches just to make sure. So I flip it back over, and I'll do this way first. So I'm going to do 4 inches, which is about here. And if it cracks, then depends. If it just cracks on the edge, I can just make this rustic. You can get more money for rustic, you know that? And if it's real bad, then you have to remelt it and redo it. Okay, so that was 4 inches over here. And then we're going to do about 8 inches wide.